subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new affordable A series phone in India called Oppo A17k with quite new design. Now let's see the specifications of the Oppo A17k smartphone. The Oppo A17k features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 89.8% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8020 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo A17k supports a single 8MP AI-featured camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, and at the front it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IPX4 certified for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.6 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo A17k has been priced in India at 10,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in gold and navy blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A17k smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.